I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, Murray, Utah. Today we're going to show you how to replace the P-trap underneath your sink. Things that'll be needed: small bucket to catch water, pair of water pump pliers, and a new P-trap. Place your bucket directly underneath the P-trap. Start with the lock nuts. You'll get a little bit of water out. Remove your first slip joint nut. Remove your second lock nut. And at this point, your P-trap may be a little stuck. Give it a little bit of a pull. You should be able to pull it right down off of there. Empty the water out of it, and you can start on the waste arm. Same thing, just has 1.5 inches or 1.25 inches nut. Remove the arm. Now we're ready to reinstall a P-trap. Take a new waste arm, place the slip joint nuts on along with the washers, appropriate washers for that P-trap. First thing you want to do is start with the waste arm. Place it in. Take your P-trap, use it as a guide so that you're able to adjust it to the right position. Go ahead and install the new slip joint nut and washers on the downpipe and make your final adjustments. Tighten the P-trap into place. Both lock nuts hand tight. Pliers, about a 1/4 turn is usually all you'll need with these. There's your P-trap installed. I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, Murray, Utah. We've showed you how to replace P-trap under a sink.